Hello guys, this is Morphins and this is my first video on my 75-gallon blood parrot project tank. So this is my 75-gallon. That's Poe over there with the white spot on his forehead. Got my albino peacock over there in the back, or what type of fish that's called. But anyways, we got Cheeto over there. That is Cheeto. And the reason why he is called Cheeto is, if you can see, there you go. Well, probably can't see that good one. Yeah. That's why it's called Cheeto, and he's actually one of the new members. I mean, I had him for a good minute, I just don't got a name for him yet, or him or she. This beautiful creature right here is my mixed hybrid of my pink convict cichlid and my blood parrot female that were in my pond. That's one of the babies that came out very different, because I raised all the babies that they had, but this one came out very different. So I put them inside this tank to be with the other blood parrots. And oh, matter of fact, I got one of his brothers or sisters in this tank too, which I will show y'all here in a minute. Right after I show y'all Macho. This is Macho right here. Macho is my little platinum parrot cichlid. Maybe you notice that's the reason why we call him Macho. Macho. I'm not really too familiar if it's a girl or boy. That goes for all of them. So forgive me. So let's see. Who are we missing? Oh, there we go. Just throw out that little food snack right there. And that's the brother, and that is an albino. I mean, blah 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 blah. My fault. That is the pink convict father slash female orange regular blood parrot cichlid offspring. These two right here. See the size difference? That's because this one was in the pond, was raised in the pond. I just kind of chose it because I kind of felt like it looked beautiful. And his name's ED. That's ED right there. Unique. I like him. I was like, he kind of got like that blood parrot look, but he got like the original black convict color look. That's why I was kind of surprised. I was like, is he gonna keep stripes? Because you know, his dad was a pink convict cichlid. And I was like, oh, I ain't tripping. But oh, and this one right here, this beautiful creature right here, that's my albino blood parrot cichlid. I got off of predatory fins. Yes, I did spend a good ticket on her, but it was worth it. I mean, at least for me. There she goes. Very beautiful. She was pearl white. I got a couple videos that I'll probably upload of her. It'll probably be like 2-minute videos though. I don't really got long videos of my fish. But this is her. She's very beautiful right now. She's developing a beautiful white, pink, orange. Very unique. Very unique. That's the 75-gallon though. Let's see. All the fish are Give them a little food real quick. I got 3 Plecos in here. I got a unique one, a little bougie one. I'm trying to find her. Oh, there's one over there. He's just like an original Pleco over there in the background. I got a beautiful calico, I think it was, right?
Yeah.
Calico? Got a long fin calico. I gotta find her though.
She's probably like a year old now, huh?
A year old?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. She's pretty small for a year old. But she's very beautiful though. Or I wonder if they stay that size. I never really checked on the size. But man, I can't even find her. She's somewhere in here. And I got a lot of hiding spots for the fish, Fish, like, even though I got a nice view where I can see them, they got a lot of hiding spots in the back where, I made sure they can have their own privacy. But oh, my fault, Mini Man. My fault. I forgot to show you. I forgot to show you the last one, which is Mini Man. He apparently kind of tweaked out on me right now because, I just popped up on him while he was basking. My fault, Mini Man. Mini Man. Well, at least you're good because he's in here now. He can get feed. I just actually set this tank up. It was in my girl's room. I set this tank up over here. It's in my room now. It's perfect. And I actually gave him the ill tank. And I will be uploading a video on the ill tank and giving y'all some updates on my brackish ill tank Bruno. Yeah. My first brackish water tank that I had made over there. He's in a 29 gallon. But yeah, this is my 75 gallon project blood parrot, and my goal is honestly to get all different types of blood parrots. I think that's one of my favorite fish, and I find them very interesting. I love their character, I love their shapes, especially their colors. I would maybe be looking one day to breed my albino if she is fertile. I've been hearing a lot of stories, but I'll figure something out. Maybe breeding her with a crystal parrot. What do y'all think about that? Imagine a red crystal parrot and a red albino crystal parrot. I think that would be like a crazy morph. Good little project. I normally don't feed them like this when I just throw food on top. I normally put it inside a cup, inside like a little cap. Just let the food sit in there. I guess because I just did this for just like a one show video. Is that over there? But yeah, guys. Look at her eyes though. Like look how unique this albino blood parrot is. Like, man, I'm really glad to actually have my hands on one of these beautiful creatures, because you don't never see these. You go to any fish store, if y'all can find a picture or anything. But I look up YouTube videos of this fish, try to find videos of it on YouTube, especially on Google. The only time you really just see the picture of a fish is when it's on predatory fins. Has to be saying something, because it must be a very rare species. My fault. This is my first video, so I don't do me like that. See, the thing is, these pellets a little too rough. Look at this one though. Who do y'all want to see? Look. Oh. Yeah, that's many man. Look at them. I know every fish got their character, but just look at the blood parrots, man. Look at them. Like little fat, little chicken nuggets, just little chicken nuggets with just fins just moving around. Yeah. Well, guys, take care. God bless you.